quick story time. So, this is one time when I fell down a rabbit hole and I decided to open up Replit, and AI just took over and I just pretty much created whatever I thought. Here's how I went down.
All right, check it out. So this is what I've been working on pretty much. Um, I've been using this AI tool to build this website. It's called Replit, and it's been super fascinating to use. I had got so focused, hyper focused, and I knocked out like a bunch of stuff for this crazy project that I had in mind. So I just want to demo a little bit of what's going on, what I got done. Honestly, I got most of this done within a day. All right, so here we go. And what's cool about Replit is that you can just open up a browser. So I'm using it right now on a tablet. So I'm able to just open it up anywhere I want and start getting to work. And you can deploy your projects on this website. So if you don't have like a domain, you can just get it all set up here, run some tests, get it done, and then you can deploy it here, and it gives you a little code here for your URL. You open it up in the browser. So here's a little bit about my website. The name's DBIO, stands for Double Back IO. The name is actually kind of a funny story, but I'll get into that a little bit later. It's pretty much going to be my learning platform, and we're just going to teach pretty much what's going on in the current world with modern stuff, tech, jobs, crypto, stocks, anything that's related to what's going on now. I kind of want to make it like a go-to spot. And this is what it's going to look like. Gave me like a mock-up of what it's going to be, like potentially what it could look like. I could show clients. I asked it to be like responsive, so it could work on phones as well, so it looks good on both ends. Everything was all about like how you prompt and ask the questions. I used ChatGPT to kind of help me out, but really the Replit agent alone was really helpful. The only thing I recommend is just make sure you set your limits, because there is a usage thing, but it's really cool once you learn how to prompt with the ChatGPT and stuff like that. You can look at videos about that. But pretty much, yeah, this is how beautiful it came out in such a short time. It looks really professional already, right out the bat. I did try to create some login stuff. It's not fully functional yet. But what I'm learning is that you can't throw everything at it all at once with the AI. You kind of have to like build it out piece by piece. And this was like really detailed. Like every detail, I was looking at it. I said, I don't like this. I like this. Change this. Change this. So it really works well when you work on an individual component of your website. But this is pretty much it. It's been a good experience so far, so I'm gonna keep building. I'm not a coder really. I just know HTML, some CSS, but other than that, I'm not a coder. I'm just a regular guy using AI. So if I could do it, anybody can do it.